Hey, quick question. What if I told you that the difference between staying broke and building wealth isn't making more money? It's what you do with what you already have. Yup. If you just reinvest everything you learn or earn, you'd make it nearly impossible to stay poor. Sounds dramatic, right? Cool. Let me show you. What does reinvest actually mean? When I say reinvest, I don't mean buying stocks every time you find $5 in your pocket. I mean, whenever you learn something or earn something, you put it back into growth. Learn something, use it. Earn something, grow it. That's it. That's the difference between staying stuck and leveling up. Okay, let's talk about reinvesting what you learn first. Let's say you watch a YouTube video about starting a side hustle. Cool. Most people just go, nice info, and then binge 17 more videos while eating chips. But if you reinvest that knowledge, you'd actually start the hustle, even a small version of it. Boom. That knowledge becomes action. Action becomes skill. Skill becomes money. For example, you learned about investing? Reinvest. Open a basic account and toss in $10. Get your hands dirty. Every time you use what you learn, your value increases, and the world pays for value. Reinvesting what you earn. Now let's talk about money, what most people blow like birthday candles. Let's say you make $200 extra this month. You could buy shoes you don't need, order Uber Eats for the 7th time this week, or reinvest it. Here's how to reinvest money. Buy better tools or software. Take a course. Improve your workspace. Run a small ad for your service. Even save it to build momentum. You're turning money into machines that make more money. Poor people spend to feel rich. Rich people reinvest to stay rich. Let me give you a real-life mini-story. My friend Sam made $100 from selling art online. Instead of spending it, she bought better pens, $30. Took a mini marketing course, $40. Saved $30 for a future art show table. Next month, she made $400. She reinvested again. After a year, she quit her job. This works with any income level. Even if you're only making $10 a day, reinvest $2 of it. Small seeds grow into big trees. Here's the crazy part. Reinvesting creates a snowball effect. Every bit of learning and earning rolls into the next and the next, until one day you look up and realize you're not poor anymore. You didn't win the lottery, you just stopped throwing away your progress. So here's the takeaway. Learn something. Use it. Earn something. Grow it. Reinvest in yourself like you're your own startup. Do that every day for 2 years, and being broke becomes almost impossible. If you got value from this, reinvest 3 seconds and hit that like button and sub for more money facts you can actually use.